morning, sir. Welcome to LC Cafe and Restaurant. Do you have a reservation?
None.
May I know your name and for how many persons, please?
My name is Adrian, for 1 person.
Would you prefer smoking or not smoking area?
Non-smoking area.
This way, please. Is this table away from you, sir?
Yes.
Please have a seat. Excuse me, sir. May I unfold your table now, please?
Yes.
By the way, sir, my name is Eliza Lorraine and I will be your dining attendant for the day. Is there anything else I can help you with?
None.
Okay, excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Would you like some refreshing drinks to start with? Would you like an iced tea or pineapple?
I see.
Okay, excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Here's your iced tea. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Please have some water. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Please have some freshly baked bread.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. May I present to you our menu for your food selection? And I will take your order whenever you're ready. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. May I now take your order?
Yes. Curry fried shawarma for my appetizer, cream of mushroom soup, beef steak for my main course.
May I suggest to you a Caesar salad for your salad?
No thanks.
How about a chocolate lava cake for your dessert?
No thanks.
Okay, so may I now repeat your order? You ordered curry fried shawmai for your appetizer, cream of mushroom for your soup, and beef steak for your main course. Is that all correct, sir?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Your order will be served within 15 to 20 minutes. Excuse me, sir.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. May I present to you our premium red wine that also complement with your main course, which is the Berner Merlot, a product of Napo Valley with a vintage year of 2017 and an alcohol content of 14%. And it has an intense flavor of plum, blueberry, and blackberry. Would you like it added to your order, sir?
No thanks.
Excuse me, sir. Can I take your name? Excuse me, sir. Tignan. Excuse me, sir. Here's your appetizer. Curry fried shawmai. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Are you done?
Yes.
May I now clear your table?
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. Here's your soup, cream of mushroom. Excuse me, sir.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. Are you done with your soup?
Yes.
May I now clear your table?
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. Here's your main course, beef steak. Excuse me, sir.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. Are you done?
Yes.
May I now clear your table?
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. Here's your bill. I received 2,000 pesos and I will be back for your change and for your receipt. Is there anything else I can do with you, sir? Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Here's your change and your receipt.
Thank you.
Thank you for dining with us and I hope to see you again next time. Thank you.
Thank you.